In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the best caramel popcorn. It's crunchy, sweet, and so delicious you won't want store-bought popcorn ever again. So my love, let's get started. So you'll be needing a popcorn kernel, which you can get from the supermarkets or even at your local markets. Just tell them you want a popcorn and definitely they are going to give it to you. Into a pan or pot, add in some oil, and after that, go ahead and add in your popcorn kernel. Then shake the pan so that the popcorn kernel can relax very well inside the oil, okay? Please do not cover until it starts popping. Once it starts popping, cover and let the popping continues. Go ahead and shake the pot from time to time while it is still popping. And at this point, our popcorn is ready, as you can see. So to make the caramel, I'll be adding half cup of sugar into the frying pan. Allow to melt in a low heat. Please note that you can actually add or reduce your ingredients depending on the quantity of popcorn you are making, okay? Once the sugar has melted, go ahead and add in your half cup of liquid milk. At this point, you just have to continue stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. Go ahead and add in some little butter that will give it a shining look, and also continue mixing. At this point, the caramel is ready. So I'll just go ahead and transfer the popcorn inside the frying pan and start mixing. Mix until the popcorn is well coated. Please let me know where you are watching this video from, okay? If you are new here, you are welcome to Dimma's World. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and be part of the family, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate. So guys, our caramel popcorn is ready. Allow the caramel popcorn to cool because as it cools, it becomes more crunchy and irresistible. And that is it guys, our delicious homemade caramel popcorn is ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes, okay? Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.